Aguila, under the advisory of Mrs. Mary Jane D. Benito, together with the supportive parents, Mr. and Mrs. Villare Buhon.
Charmela Jean C. Obenencio, grade 3 Makiling, under the advisory of Ma'am Suzette L. Dalasulo, with the supportive parents, Mr. and Mrs. Edna C. Obenencio.